Hey my friends, welcome back to another video. This is number 2 for my Organization and Clean With Me Spring series. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ashley. Hey guys, we are in my bathroom. It might look clean, but it can get a lot better. We're about to organize these drawers and get everything all neat and tidy. Let's go. As usual, I like to pull out everything when I need to organize. So what I'm doing now is pulling everything out of this drawer. I'm working on this guy here. This is my makeup drawer, guys. I put hair stuff and face stuff. Whatever I am reaching for quite often goes in this drawer. So I'm going to pull it all out, clean it up, put it right back in. Let's do a run through. Now that everything is out and up on the counter, I'm going to organize each piece into categories and subcategories. So I have hair, skin, and makeup all up on the counter, and those categories will be divided in subcategories. Lip gloss, eyeliner. You get my point? I'm also going to wipe down each container that's a little bit gross, as well as getting rid of those containers that I just don't use anymore. They're either going to go under my sink or I'm going to toss them. Coming up with some sort of an organized mess. I have my foundations that I use pretty much every day. I use this one every day, and this stuff kinda. My fancier foundation, the stuff that I use every day, these things, lips, lipsticks, skincare, random lip glosses, facial eyelashes that I don't use, but I'm not throwing them away, my old glasses, my brush cleaner, and some other randoms. So I'm about to go ahead and get this stuff back into my drawer. Same routine as before under my sink. I'm going to get everything out up on the counter and get into the organization. I am tired and I need a break. So I'm going to show you guys what I got in order to help me organize under here. I picked up some things from Marshall's, as well as I ordered this guy from Amazon, and we're going to open it together. So these two came in a set of 2. So they came together and they were $6.99, $16.99 if you guys didn't hear me. But yeah, they have this little lid and I thought that was cute, and they stack. I also got these. Now this came in a set of 3. If I can undo it. They came in a set of 3, but I used one in my kitchen, and I believe these were $7.99 or $9.99. I can't quite remember, but they're at Marshall's. And then I got this one. Now this one is super cute. It was $7.99. I got this to hold my hairbrushes and stuff, so I won't be using this little top, even though it is adorable, but that's what I got this for. Let's open her up. That's what these look like. I honestly thought that they were going to be a lot bigger, so these are most likely going back to Amazon. This looks like mass confusion, but I swear there's a plan. All of this stuff is extras. Extra stuff. This section is hair. A couple of makeup things. That's hair. All of that is hair. Couple of makeup things. Body. Feminine. And not quite sure, but yeah. That is everything. I do have some things on the floor. I don't need that no more. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but it's not going back under my sink. Some stuff I'm putting in my closet, which is my sewing kit and my hot tools. This stuff goes in Lana's closet, and the rest is trash, with the exception of this. This is also trash, matter of fact. So, my piles, at least in my head they are. Let's get this stuff in containers and throw away what is unneeded. Honestly, in my mind I was thinking as I went of what was needed and what was unneeded, and I like all this stuff. I got an issue. We'll figure it out as we go. Before I get my brushes put away, I want to go ahead and clean them off. This guy came from Amazon. It'll be linked below. If you wear makeup, you need this in your life. Okay, before I show you everything together, I wanted to share with you what I had in these. I have all of our medicines in our room in here. These are all of the adult medicines are right here. All of my, I don't even know what to call this stuff. This is miscellaneous, my stuff. Cotton rounds, milk and magnesia, like all of miscellaneous bath stuff. This is actually hubby's. It's in here, and then in here it's also miscellaneous, pretty much extra tooth stuff, a candle, old bath holder, and then my heating pad. That's my heating pad. So yeah, these are what's in those baskets, and they go up here. I'm about to put them back. I have cleaning supplies, decorative towels, we don't use those. A candle because it's cute. I use these things. Towels, Epsom salt. I have some decorative stuff here. This is something that I'll be using soon on a trip. I put the jewelry that I'm using right there, and then our matching perfumes and colognes, and then we both use the stuff in this basket, which is of course body lotion and my hair towel, face towel, shades, and Jeremy's sunglasses, as well as the tissue. There is some Perfect Glass back there. I'm going to re-jar that and put it in there. Alright guys, it's going to be it for this video, but please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and follow along on that playlist because this is a series. Alright guys, peace.